Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RPGuru Tech Talk. This is Dhiren Prasad. In last year, in September, there was a result of a study done. Let me share my screen. This was an article written on September 20th, 2021. IDC, a company called IDC, did surveys across 525 enterprises across 8 countries and on cloud deployment and the benefits and challenges. What they concluded was Salesforce and its partners will create around 9.3 million jobs and a revenue of $1.6 trillion. So by 2026, which is huge. And in fact, I've personally seen it. It's so difficult to find good Salesforce resources. Even if we find anybody, either they have jobs already or they're not willing to look for a new job, or they end up asking something that any company cannot pay. So basically what I'm trying to get at is there's so much of demand for Salesforce skilled Salesforce CRM skilled people. It's a good thing to see if you have not worked on Salesforce before. I would suggest you would want to look at learning Salesforce. And unlike other software enterprises, where it's very difficult to find a way to learn new technology and new software without paying a huge amount of money, or you're going to a class which is cramped up and they try to teach you everything in 2 weeks, and there is no environment where you can actually test it out to test your new skills you just learned or test the new knowledge you just got in that class. So, and by the time a month passes by, you don't even have the knowledge anymore because you didn't really get your feet wet of using the knowledge you had and try to do things on your own and see if it works. So as far as Salesforce is concerned, they have something called a Trailhead, which is focused on the Salesforce CRM skills. And if you see, I've gone into trailhead.salesforce.com. And this is where I would, if you're new to Salesforce, even if you're not new to Salesforce, you want to enhance your skills, this is a place you should go to. If you don't have an account, you can. If you have an account, you can log in. If you don't have one, let's see how to do it. So I click on sign up. So let's say I'm going to use my email, and I'm going to use my RPGuru Tech Talk email. Let me get the code. So I've got, they send me a code on my personal email, which I just signed up with. And I hit continue. I can give my name. Can create a public profile. Let me create. Next. There you go. So you're all set. You've created an account. I'm a brand new user, so you can start off. They've already given you a heads up of how to go about learning now. You can read this information, read through this, what is Salesforce and all those things. So you're ready. So let's go. So if you see, there are different avenues of learning Salesforce. You can go to the trail mixes, and pretty much all these things are free. I mean, you don't have to pay any money to go about learning anything. So, and there are different uh, type of learning. So one is you can prepare for a certification. So let's look at that. If you see, they have different paths. One is the tracks are Salesforce Administrator, a Salesforce Architect, a Salesforce Developer, Salesforce Marketer, Salesforce Consultant, Salesforce Designer. So they have their own group of studies. So for Salesforce Administrator, I started off when I started working on building my Salesforce skills. I started working on my administrator skills. So if you click on that, it'll tell you, you can go to the exam guide and see what is covered. It tells you about the exam, what's covered, what are the topics that's involved, and what's the trails that get you up and running. This is the first step of starting to learn Salesforce. In my next video, I will show you how to create your own Salesforce playground environments where it's actually a real Salesforce CRM environment where you can, for example, if I click on this is a trail mix which is focused on Salesforce Administrator. So you can go to the, let's say, the platform basics, and so you can start doing it step by step, and you can see how much time is required for each of these. For example, if I click on get started with Salesforce platform, it'll tell you, it'll give you theoretical knowledge of stuff like that, and then at some point it'll tell you how to create a playground, and go to the next steps and start getting your skills up and running. So thanks for watching. I will share more videos on Salesforce. Please subscribe to my channel. Look forward to sharing more videos. Thank you so much.